Most people think push-ups are just a simple exercise, something you do in school or during a workout warm-up. But here's the surprising truth: the number of push-ups you can do and how well you do them can actually reveal a lot about your overall fitness level. From your strength and stamina to your heart health and body control, this one movement acts like a window into your physical condition. And today we're going to break down exactly why push-ups are considered a major fitness indicator, because they involve multiple systems of your body working together. And even if someone can't do a single push-up right now, that doesn't mean they're weak. It simply means their body needs training. And that can always be improved. Push-ups may look like an upper body movement, but the moment you get into position, your entire body becomes part of the process. Your chest, shoulders, and triceps generate force. Your core keeps your body from sagging. Your glutes and legs stabilize you. And your spine has to stay aligned, so when you lower yourself and push back up, you're demonstrating not just strength but complete muscle coordination. That's why fitness experts trust push-ups. They show the balance between force, control, and stability. This isn't just about brute strength, it's about your body working as a synchronized team. And the more efficiently that team works, the more push-ups you can perform with proper form. Then comes endurance, an equally important part of the picture. Doing push-ups isn't just about lifting your body once, it's about repeating the movement while maintaining good form, breath control, and muscle tension when your muscles start burning. When your breathing becomes harder, that's where your real stamina shows. The number of clean, consistent push-ups someone can do often reflects how well their body can handle repeated effort without giving up. In other words, push-ups are a quick, effective test of muscular endurance. If you stop after just a few reps, it doesn't mean something is wrong. It simply means your endurance isn't trained yet, and endurance is something anyone can build over time. Another hidden part of push-ups is their connection to heart health. Every time you begin a set, your heart rate climbs, blood circulation increases, and your cardiovascular system gets challenged. Researchers have even found that people who can do more push-ups generally have better heart fitness and lower risk of certain cardiovascular problems. That's because your heart isn't just pumping blood to a few muscles, it is supplying oxygen to your entire upper body and core. So when you perform push-ups smoothly and repeatedly, you're testing how strong and efficient your cardiovascular system really is. This makes push-ups one of the simplest tools to get a quick sense of your heart performance, without any machines or complicated tests. Push-ups also require body control and mobility, things people often overlook. To perform a proper push-up, your wrists, elbows, and shoulders need good joint mobility. Your spine must stay neutral, and your body must move in one straight line without dropping or bending. That level of control is a sign of good neuromuscular coordination, meaning your brain and muscles communicate well. When someone struggles to keep their form, it usually means either weak stabilizers, tight muscles, or simply lack of practice. And all of these can be fixed with gradual training and proper technique. So, what does it mean if someone can't do push-ups at all? The answer is simple. It means the body isn't trained for it yet. It's not a sign of failure or permanent weakness. Anyone can start with easier variations like wall push-ups, incline push-ups, or knee push-ups, and slowly build the strength to perform full push-ups with consistency. Even people who couldn't do one push-up often find themselves doing 5, 10, 20, or more within weeks or months. Push-ups are one of the most trainable exercises, which is why they're such a great way to track progress. In the end, push-ups are much more than a fitness move. They're a complete test of strength, endurance, balance, heart health, and body control. They reflect your current level, but they also motivate you to improve. So, whether you can do one push-up, 50 push-ups, or none at all, what truly matters is the effort you put into getting better. Every rep you add, every bit of form you improve, and every small progress you make is a sign that your body is becoming stronger, healthier, and more capable. Start small, stay consistent, and let push-ups become the simplest and clearest measure of your growing fitness.